Hi friends, here's a really fun game. There's 3 sheets of paper. The teddy bears need to be cut out. There's red, yellow, green, and blue. And there's a whole bunch here. And then this is a chart. And here's a spinner with yellow, red, blue, and green. You need a paper clip and a pencil. So you might want to do this with an adult's help. You're going to put the paper clip down, put your pencil in the middle, hold the pencil, and just kind of spin it around. It says red, so you can take one red bear and put it on here. The next person's going to spin green, so you put the green on here. And you'll keep spinning until you have it filled up. Then you're going to figure out which one has the most. Whichever one is filled up to the top first is the most. Which one has the least? The smallest amount. Which one has in the middle? The middle amount. This is a lot of fun. Then with these bears, I'm going to keep using these bears. And if you are able to, you do not have to, but if you're able to, there's a whole bunch of sheets here that you can use your bears on too to finish the pattern. Yellow, blue, what would go next? Yellow, right. So you'd put your yellow bear here. And this one says finish the pattern. Green, red, your green bear would go here. And you can finish this whole packet and have lots of fun with it at home. Bye, friends.